celebs, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another clothing haul. Charcoal Clothing kindly gifted me all these pieces. I haven't tried them on yet, so let's try them on and I'll give you my honest feedback. This video isn't sponsored, but I do have a discount code if you guys want to shop Charcoal Clothing. I really love their pieces and I can't wait to try these on. Let's get into it. Alright, we have the first piece on. This material is so soft and it's really stretchy and flattering. I love this color as well. It is quite short and I'm 5'4" for reference, so if you're a taller girl, I don't know, this might be too short for you. But yeah, it's just a little t-shirt dress. You can undo the buttons or you can do them all the way up. This is one of my favorite pieces and I do like it with a red lip as well. 10 out of 10. I would style this just with sneakers, some white sneakers, or you could even wear heels and like a little brown bag. This one goes, ooh, just a little brown bag and you've got a nice kind of brown neutral outfit. I love these colors with gold jewelry as well. There is a lot of singlet, like mini dresses in this haul, so I'm just gonna chuck them on. I have this khaki one and then they also sent it to me in the beige and black, so I'll probably just talk about this one and then show you the other colors on. This has like a textured material and it looks really cute, so let's try it on. Okay, so we have this piece. I'm really loving this style. I know it's getting cold for a lot of you, like in America, but it's getting hot here in Sydney, so I'm excited to wear dresses like this in summer. It's got a tie here in the middle and that actually connects to the sleeves, so you adjust the sleeves with this tie, which I think is cool. It's really comfy and I don't have to wear a bra with this style because it's got quite good support in this area. I know in every video I say that I love green, but I love this khaki color. And yeah, again, it's quite mini and short, so if you're taller, I don't know if this will be too short for you. But I've got them in this beige color and this black color as well. I think this is a great basic to have. I might keep these at Fabian's house, so I have, you know, some here and then some at Fabian's, which is handy. So this is the next dress. I love this yellow color. This one's a bit different to the previous mini styles. Those other mini styles, by the way, had a zip along the side and they're not as a stretchy material, but this one is nice and stretchy. It's also got a mesh layering. It has cute frill detailing along there and it's got adjustable straps as well, but I love this. I feel like I will wear this a lot in summer. Again, it's the perfect length on me and it is adjustable on the sleeves if you're a bit shorter or taller. And we've also got this floral blue version in the same style. I am set for life for mini dresses. Wow. I feel like this is such an easy dress to style. I would just wear it with sneakers and my handbag and I'm ready to go. Let's try this one on. Baby, you're like lightning in a bottle. Alright, so we have some yellow check pants on. They're quite cropped and they're really high-waisted. They fit really well. They're nice and stretchy and they've got a zipper along the side and the back is also kind of, what's that called, ruched? I don't know. I wouldn't normally pick these two to wear together, but they're quite cute together. I love this top. It's got these two ties that cinch it in here, and then I love these sleeves and the square neckline. I swear Charcoal Clothing every time just comes through with the hauls. They have the cutest pieces that I get a lot of wear out of. I feel like you can never have enough cropped white tops for summer. I have so many, but in a lot of different styles that go with different things, and you can definitely dress this style up and down. Love, love, love. I have this little white collared crop to try on. Let's put this on. Okay, so I feel like this top goes a lot more with these pants. It's like a cute golf vibe. You can do the buttons up or down. I've just opened it a bit and I like it because it's a halter neck style. I feel like halter necks are really in right now. They're coming into a lot of boutiques, but I like this one because you can still wear a strapless bra. We've also got another mini dress and it's in this top, but a dress style. So let's pop this on. This is really cute. The collar detail is super cute and it fits really well. It's like a nice ribbed, stretchy material. Perfect length. I'm so happy with these items. We've got this tie-up top and I've been looking for shirts like this for the beach and to wear to Fabian's house when I'm wearing my swimmers for the pool. It doesn't really, I wouldn't wear it with this dress, but I just wanted to show you. It's just cute to chuck on with shorts and a bikini top at the beach. Yeah, I love stuff like this for summer that are really nice and light, but they can also protect you from the sun a bit more. And this color is really nice with a white bikini. I'm excited to try on this piece. It's a light blue midi dress. It's got a split along the side. I love styles like these that have like a nice thick ribbed material and a nice color. I find them really flattering and easy to style as well. How nice is this? I love the cut and the slit along the side. The material is really soft and figure hugging. The straps are a good length as well. I hate when the straps are too long and it like cuts down here. Everything in this haul honestly fits so well. I would be honest if I was like, this is a weird fit, but everything is perfect. I feel like I keep saying I'd wear everything with sneakers in a handbag, and it's true, I'd wear this with sneakers in a handbag or sandals. And this is the last item we have. It's this white frilly dress with a lot of tie details. This dress is very sweet. It's got the tie details on the sleeves and in the middle. I'm not wearing a bra with this. The material is quite thick. The only thing is that this part for the boobie area is like really high, where it should be like kind of down here. Oh, maybe I just have to pull it down. But I like the back because it's nice and stretchy. It doesn't have a zip, but it's really easy to put on because it does have that stretch. But yeah, this fits really nicely. It's also a perfect length. I'll show you a close-up of the material. I'm not sure what this is called, but it's got the little holes and flowers along the whole dress and this cute frill detail here. Cute! I feel like this is easy to chuck on and just look cute. And if you're not feeling something tight and you just want to wear something a bit more loose and maybe a bit more, I don't know, less sexy, then this is really cute. I hope you liked this haul, guys. Remember to use my code if you want to shop any of these pieces. As always, let me know if you like these kinds of videos, and if you have any suggestions, please leave them down below. If you aren't already, make sure to subscribe and like this video if you want to see more content from me. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day or night or wherever you are. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.